Again. What did I become?
Princess.
Wow, thank you. Can you make me a prince? Wow. I'm a prince? Where is my chariot? Can you create a chariot from that cycle? Can you do abracadabra on the cycle? What did the cycle become? It became a prince? The cycle became a prince, Dipali? Oh no, be nice. Be nice. That became a princess too? No, the cycle will become a chariot. Right? Yeah? Can you make yourself a princess? Look at you! Wow! Where are your glass slippers? Can you say abracadabra once again on your feet and then they will become glass slippers? Awesome! What's that? What do you have in your hand? What's that? That's magic?